Okay, let's get right to it. Microsoft just pulled off something wild in AI, and honestly, nobody saw it coming. So, picture this. Deep learning is basically a race. Everyone's throwing more GPUs and bigger datasets at their models, hoping for a breakthrough. But then, out of nowhere, Microsoft drops their new R2 agent, and it's not just a little better. It's reportedly smarter than DeepSeek R1. Yeah, let that sink in. Here's what makes it nuts. DeepSeek R1 was already a beast, chewing through benchmarks like a champ. Microsoft's R2, it outsmarts R1 while running on just 64 GPUs. That's a fraction of the hardware. It's the AI equivalent of showing up at a supercar race in a bicycle and still lapping everyone. And get this, they trained it in a single week. Not months, not years. But the real kicker? R2 agent doesn't just spit out answers. It can actually check its own work by running live code execution. If you've ever argued with a chatbot about math, you know how big a deal this is. Imagine an AI that does the math, then checks itself, then tells you when it's wrong. Game changer. But Microsoft wasn't done. As if to flex even harder, they threw two more models into the mix, My Voice 1 and My 1 Preview. My Voice 1 is their new speech AI. This thing can generate of natural-sounding audio in under 1 second. That's text-to-speech with zero lag, basically as fast as you can think. And then there's My 1 Preview, their latest foundation language model. It was trained on not hundreds, not thousands, but 15,000 H100s. That's the kind of muscle you need to power Copilot and whatever they're cooking up next. So, what does this all mean? Simple. Microsoft isn't just catching up, they're rewriting the rules of AI, smaller, smarter models, lightning-fast training, tools that not only generate but their output, and they're rolling this tech straight into products millions of people use every day. If you thought the AI race was about who could go bigger, think again. Microsoft just proved it's about who can go smarter. This is Pulse. Stay tuned, because the future just leveled up.